Want to make sure you're using the latest version of Cisco Webex on your Windows PC. Keeping Webex updated gives you access to new features, security improvements, and bug fixes that help meetings run more smoothly. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update Cisco Webex on Windows. So yeah, let's get started. First, launch the Cisco Webex app on your Windows computer and sign in if prompted. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to check whether a newer version is available. Next, click your profile picture in the upper corner of the app and look for the Check for Updates option. If an update is available, Webex will begin downloading the latest version automatically. This process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, follow any on-screen prompts to install the update. In many cases, Webex will restart automatically after the installation finishes. Saving your work before updating is always a good idea if you have an active meeting or open files. After Webex reopens, go back to the Profile menu and select About or Help to view the current version number. Compare it with the latest release information if needed to confirm that the update was installed successfully. It's a quick way to make sure you're running the newest version. If you don't see the update option or the installation fails, try restarting your computer and launching Webex again. If you're using a company-managed device, software updates may be controlled by your IT administrator. In that case, contact them for assistance. And that's how to update Cisco Webex on Windows in 2026. Keeping your app up to date helps ensure better performance, improved security, and access to the latest features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.